What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Welcome to another Sunday stream. Right now, guys, I currently am short in the futures market, and we'll be looking at the market recap and just looking at the outlook for the week. What I have on the agenda today, we're going to start off with the day trading recap into the market outlook. I'm going to talk about the new book, and we're going to do a giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned for the end. There will be a giveaway. So I want to just appreciate you for giving me your time. All right, my friends, if you can hear me, hit me with a 1 and let's step right into the war zone. So who do we have in the building? Dr. D, what's going on? Candace D, what's going on? Bill, Alicia, Ron, David, Trading Wars Army, what's going on? Corey, Briggs, Wesley, Anthony, what's going on, brother? Becky, good to see you. Caesar, what's going on, brother? All right. Let's get right into this, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start off with the day trading recap, and we're going to focus on 2 days. We're going to focus on Thursday, and we're going to focus on Friday. And then those were the 2 big days last week that really made us all the money from a day trading perspective. And then we're going to look at the market outlook, okay? So let's go ahead right here, guys. Let's start off with Thursday. Boom. Okay. So this week was extremely volatile after the FOMC. Here was the FOMC price action. And right off the bat on Thursday, my friends, we gapped down. Boom. Okay. So what's the first thing that we can do right off the bat here? So the summary for Thursday, we had an opening range breakout short. Then we hit this full range Fibonacci right here. I have the broker statements right here to show you guys. $1,218.90 in profits right there. Boom. And I just want to talk to you about a little bit of a combo style of trading, which is the combination of the opening range breakout followed by the full range Fibonacci short. I really call that perfection. I love the 1-2 punch, and I also am doing some voice notes in here as well. So I just wanted to point that out, guys. A lot of you have been asking for voice, and I've been doing some voice as well. Okay, so let's start off here. So this is Thursday. Good morning, friends. Big gap down coming in. Let's be ready. I'll be hunting for the orb, send some energy. So we ended up going short at 933, and then we hit our first target right off the bat. And literally in a few minutes, guys, we just collapsed. In 8 minutes, we had a really good opening range breakout short. So let's talk about that strategy right here. So you could see right here, guys, we had a nice gap down on the first 3-minute bar. What do you notice on this candle here? That wick, is that a bullish wick or a bearish wick? Hit me with the 1 for bullish and me with the 2 for bearish. What do you guys think? What's going on? Becky, what's going on? Princeton, what's going on, brother? So obviously, guys, if we look at this candle here, this is a red candle. And if we look at the wick of this candle, guys, this is a really powerful short wick. It's a bear wick because we could see the candle was all the way at a high of around 436 and it pushed all the way back down. So the first thing I'm looking for here, guys, is to short that low. If that low breaks right there, I'm going to go short. So here we go. Bang. Right there, guys. Literally in the first 2 candles of the day. That's 6 minutes after your entry. You're hitting huge targets right there. I'll put the Fibonacci tool on here so you can see. You can see we got the 100% extension, absolutely crushing it. So for my scalpers, for those of you guys that want to come in and just hit it quick, that opening range breakout, my friends, right there, 6 minutes of work hitting the profit. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. And then from there, we go into our second setup of the day, which is the full range Fibonacci short. So on this trade here, you could see we ended up going short at 1017 and taking profits. I took profits personally at 1201. Some people held on to this, but let's go ahead here and let's walk through this trade. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is hop into the Discord. If you're looking for the Fibonacci bot, it's right in here, my friends. Let's make sure we get the date right. So the 21st, we're going to go up here. So here is the 21st. Okay. So the 21st, we ended up getting filled at 1017 right here. Okay, and we drew out the Fibonacci together right here. And then the bot, we got target at 1026 and a second target at 1032 with the home run target at 1059. So not bad for about 45 minutes of work here. So let's go on to this trade. So boom, bang, bang. Okay, so you could clearly see here, guys, what direction is this? Is that bullish or bearish? Hit me with the 1 for bullish, hit me with the 2 for bearish. What direction is that, my friends? And as you guys know, I'm working on this book right here, The Power of the 618. And this is the section I want to show you right here. This is your basic long setup, and this is your basic short setup. Okay. So clearly here, guys, we're looking for the short. This is what the short looks like. There's a push to the downside, and then we come back here into the 618. That's what we're looking for. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that together. So we're going to put the Fibonacci on the high, bring it down to the low like this. We're going to double click here. I'm going to put on the basic settings. We're going to watch for the 618. So here we go. Boom. So we made a new low. Just move that anchor down, waiting for that 618. Bang. A new low again. Move the anchor down. You wait for the 618. Here we go. Continue. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. So there is the fill, guys, right there at 10:20, 10:17, exactly the fill here. And if you're looking at that, hit me with a 5 if you're a little bit nervous going short right here. Would you be nervous going short right there? What do you guys think? Hit me with a 5 if yes, hit me with a 6 if no. So obviously here, guys, this is a very powerful green candle. But the whole point of the Fibonacci is to look to the left. And we're saying here that this bear that shorted the market in the morning will not give up this 618 without a fight. That's the whole concept behind the 618 Fibonacci. It's a pullback. So we go in short here, guys. Obviously, if you're going to take puts, it's going to be better when it's green. When the chart is green, you're going to get a better deal than when the chart is red because of the fact that you're going against whatever the chart is showing you, whatever the trend is doing. So bang, here we go. Here's the 618 rejection. Doom, 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 doom. Okay, double rejection. And there we go, my friends. That's a new low right there. Bang. Okay. So that was it, guys. That was the winner right there. Taking profits. Double. So that was Thursday, was a really good day because the orb and the full range back to back. I added my voice notes here, guys, and we had a really, really great Thursday. It seems like Thursday and Fridays are the days where we're making the most money, and it's been like that for a long time. And I'm starting to get to the point, guys, where I'm thinking about completely cutting off trading on Monday or Tuesday, one of those 2 days early in the week, because I feel like a lot of times there's just chop in the beginning of the week. Hit me with the 17 if that makes sense. So what I'm trying to do here, guys, is understand the timing. The timing is very, very key. So that was Thursday, guys. $1,200 on this Fibonacci. Really grateful for that fib. And then I'm going to get into Friday. Friday was a roller coaster, one of the best trading days that I've had and forever, actually. So here we go here. Let's go. And let's go to Friday. All right. So do I have any notes for Friday? I don't. Okay. All right. So this trade on Friday, this $3,000, this is the one that I'm swinging short. So we'll talk about that. But actually, to start off Friday, guys, we started off with a loser. Okay. So it's very, very important. I'm going to show you some stuff that people don't want to talk about. All right. Because in trading, it's not about being 100% accurate. If you're 100% accurate, you're not trading. You're living in fantasy land. There's no such thing as 100% accurate. So you have to know how to bounce back from a losing trade. So let's go ahead and let's look at this right here. Okay. So the first trade, I lost $422. So you can see right here, that was at 9:59 and then sold at 10:03. So this was a short, and then the second one was a long, getting in at 10:14. So literally, guys, 11 minutes after taking a $422 loser, I'm in another trade, and I don't care about the outcome because I'm using the Fibonacci, I'm using the probability. And then this trade is ended on 10:36, $1,187.69 in profit, about a 3-to-1 risk to reward right there, my friends. And then right here is the final trade of the day, which I'm swing trading. I'll talk about that as well. Hit me with a 6 if you see what I'm saying here. So essentially what I'm trying to say, guys, is you need to have a short-term memory when you're trading, and you need to always focus on the setup. You always need to focus on your risk to reward. Your risk to reward, guys, if with this trade here, this 1187.69, I should be able to withstand at least 2 to 3 trades of losing. If I can withstand 2 to 3 trades of losing and still end break even, then I've done my job as a trader. So here we go. Bang. Here's the first 5-minute bar of the day. So I did not take the orb here. I was a little bit patient and just waiting for this initial setup here. So let's go in. Bang. So there right here, guys, this is where I identified the first bearish leg. So this bearish leg right here. So the one thing I might have made a mistake on here, guys, but it's hindsight now. But if you actually look at this first, if I take the Fibonacci from the high to the low, you could already see that within the first 15 minutes, this is called the morning leg. This 618 had already traded. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. So I feel like I maybe should have just passed on this trade, but I went ahead and drew the anchor down there. So here we go. So this is the Friday. This is the same short I'm drawing for you. You can see Phil short at 9:59, and then we ended off taking a loser, and then we swapped and went long at 10:14 with the help of the Fibonacci bot to call out the orders. So here we go. So ended up going short here, guys. That's the short right there. Bang, bang, stop out in 2 candles. Okay, no room to do anything but just take a big hit. So what do I do from there? Boom, delete, switch the anchor now. Bang. Okay, clear direction now, low to high. Here we go. Boom, boom, right there. Okay, come back down now. Bang, there's a 618. Here's a 618 filled long at 10:14 a.m. So right there, guys, that's a 10:14 a.m. right here. Boom, Boom, took a little bit of heat on this, guys. I'm not gonna lie. When this was going down here, I was a little bit nervous that I was gonna have 2 stop outs in the same day. And if I have 2 stop outs back to back like that, I generally just call it a day. But anyways, here from this point on, guys, we rip. Bang, 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 bang. Boom, boom, boom. Right there, I was able to take profits right around. I took profits on 1036. So right on this initial push up, I was able to get my profits because I'm looking right here, guys. When we're breaching into new high of day, when I'm long down here, I'm not going to be greedy. $1,200 on a day trade makes me very, very happy. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. But what you won't see here, guys, and what I want to show you is there's something else that's happening here. Okay. So let's go. So we recap the short, we recap the long. But what about this trade here? Up $3,000 on this trade. What is this trade? Okay. And this is where I'm going to blow your mind. All right. And this is where I'm going into the new Fibonacci society. And we're doing things a little bit differently with these advanced Fibonacci patterns. Okay. So this is what I'm going to show you right now. So this is the trade that I'm talking about right now. So I'm going to draw this up for you again. So you have to, this is not for everyone, okay? If you're not ready for this, you just focus on the day trades like this. Don't worry about anything else. But for those of you that are Fibonacci fanatics, this is the game. This is what's going to change the game forever. So this was Thursday at 9 a.m. This was the high. And at Thursday in overnight session, we made a low. So if I take my Fibonacci from high to low right here, guys, we had this 618 rejection. So in the new Fibonacci society, I have a mystery school here where I'm making private custom videos where you guys can sign up for after. And I also have this Fibonacci newsletter here where I'm showing these secret patterns. Okay. These are not patterns for everybody because it is complicated. But I just wanted to show if you want to take it to the next level. So right here, guys, this is a 618, but is this anything else? Hit me with an 11 if you see something else. What is this? Okay. So this is a 618 right here. So this 618 is at 11 a.m. on Friday. So this is the same candle, 11 a.m. on Friday. Hold on. Let me double click and put on the full extension here. Watch closely now. Bang. Okay. So this is the high. So this is the 11 o'clock high right here. We made a little bit high here. 618 extension. This was the 618 pullback, 618 extension. From here, we collapsed. Okay. So we collapsed into the close and I ended up going short using the 618 right here, guys. And when I caught that short here, I felt nothing short but a god. Because as soon as I went short, the market just flipped. Boom. And it just felt so exhilarating. Hit me with a 17 if you understand what I'm saying. Because I literally, that's my short right there. 439875. I had the order waiting. It touched it one time, bang. And what made this even more powerful is it lined up with the high of the day on the 5-minute chart, but it also created a very powerful pattern on the hourly. So here's the pattern, guys. This is a cipher pattern, okay? So I adapted the cipher pattern to fit my style of trading, and I'm calling it the dragon, the Fibonacci dragon, because of the 2 wings, okay? But this is technically a cipher pattern, but it doesn't follow any of those ratios that you guys normally do. I have my own style from my own testing. But anyway, so here we go. Push down, pull back, push down again, boom, 618 completion, bang. That's a cipher pattern, okay? And if you want to think about it like this, it has 2 wings, the left side and the right side. The completion of the right side wing is your entry to short, okay? With the stop loss either above the swing high, or you can use a tighter stop loss if you want. So I ended up going short there, and I'm swinging that short right now. I'm hoping that the market will continue lower this week. I have a stop loss at break even. So for this trade, I'm trying to make $10,000. Hit me with the 10 if you see what I'm saying. 10 grand on this trade. My stop loss is break even. I really need that. I really need this short in my portfolio right now because I do have long-term holdings in my long-term. So this not only is going to be a trade for me, a swing trade, but it also acts as a hedging instrument to protect my long-term portfolio in case the market does want to crash. Because let's go ahead here and look at the Qs. Okay, so with the Qs, we had the double inside week breakout. This is the one I gave you guys last week. It worked perfectly. We had the double inside, bam, straight down here. And right now, this still does look like a bullish trend here, guys. But do not forget that the bears are here on that 786 Fibonacci. Look at the rejections are in here. So there is a chance that this market goes lower, and I'm putting myself in a position to be there for the move. I don't want to be all in one direction. I don't want to be all long. I don't want to be all short. I need to be able to put myself in good calculated risk to reward. Hit me with the 17 if that makes sense. Good calculated risk to reward perspective position to protect myself. Okay. So from a market outlook perspective, what I'm looking at this week here, if we go to the weekly chart, is this is a nasty Let's go to the Qs. This is a nasty red candle. The bears can consolidate if they want, or they can start to drop it hard, because when the market goes down, guys, you can see when the market goes down, it doesn't go down. It doesn't go down smoothly and softly and quietly like it when it goes up. It goes down aggressively. So that is my plan here. I want to see next week. I think it will be red based on the statistics here. It's probably going to be a red week or a very small doji week. So that's what I'm looking for. Okay. All right, guys. So here we go. I'm going to do a giveaway right at the end. And this giveaway that it's going to be for my new Fibonacci book, The Power of the 618. And in this book here, my friends, I have a trading log. This is my real trading samples here. 46 trades, 22 winners, 24 losses, $16,000 in profit. You can see the reality of trading, the winning streaks and the losing streaks. And I have detailed examples of a lot of the trades, about 15 here. And I actually have video recordings that I put at the end. So this is my masterpiece that I'm working on, my friends. And I actually just have the cover page out right now. Okay, where is the cover page? Boom. What do you guys think about that? Hit me with a 1 if this looks awesome. So this is going to be released most likely before Thursday of this week. Okay, so this is your last chance right now, guys. If you want to sign up for the 20% off pre-order, if you want the 20% off pre-order, this is the time to get it. All you have to do is email me, rich@tradingwars.com, and you can secure it. Once the book is released, there will be no pre-order 20% discount. Okay, I'm going to pin it here as well, but email me, rich@tradingwars.com. What you get lifetime access to the Fibonacci Society. The book will be here. The mystery school, I've already made 2 private videos for the Fib Society with Derry, and we're going to make just exclusive content here so you guys feel like you're getting something that's worth your money. All right, here's the Fibonacci power. This is going to be where swing, dragons, harmonics, different next level Fibonacci stuff will be in here. And then the newsletter is going to have stuff like this, where I'm talking about the best Fibonacci setups and trades that I took or of the week for education. And then we're going to have the Fibonacci lounge as well for you guys to hang out. Okay. So make sure you guys check that out, rich@tradingwars.com. And not only is it going to come with lifetime access to the Fibonacci Society, if you pre-order, this is literally the best deal. If you pre-order, you're going to get 2 months for free in the live alert spy room. Okay, 2 months for free. It's $50 a month for the room. So you're getting $100 worth in value, and it's only $120 to lock in with the 20% off lifetime Fib Society, 2 months in the SPY VIP. If you're already a SPY member, you can get the stock room. If you're already both, then you can have a one-on-one session with me. Okay, guys? All right. So listen, I'm going to also be giving away some of these new books. I'm going to give away a new copy of the book tonight, and I'm going to give away about 5 copies throughout the week. All you need to do is like this video and comment. You must comment below in every video you can. So on this one, on the next one, et cetera, comment on the video so you can be eligible to win the giveaway. Okay? All right, guys. Does that sound good? Hit me with a 15. And who's ready for a giveaway right now? All right, guys. As always, tradingwars.com. If you need to learn the basic in Fibs, that book is going to be great because it's going to be real examples. But this book has the concept, the theory. All right. The other book is more practical. It's more real trades. And some people need more practical than theory. So it all depends on what you're interested in here. We can sign up right here for the main spy room as well. All right. But like I said, guys, if you want to get the pre-order, that's the best deal. All right. Right now. Okay. All right. So let's go do a giveaway and let's wrap this up. I will be doing a seminar soon. Anyone that's a Trading Wars Army member with their name in green that's paying $4.99 a month will get the seminar for free. Okay, but I just wanted to give that heads up, and more on that to come. All right, so here we go right now. So let's go ahead. Let's do a giveaway right now to wrap this up. Okay. So if you haven't watched this video right here, guys, on Fridays, it's extremely difficult for me to get views for some reason. I bet everybody is out. Everybody's doing things. I totally get it. This right here, guys, this was live on Friday around 3:30. And I really want you guys to watch this analysis if you can. All right. Because it's very good to see the things in real time and not in hindsight. Okay. So right now, comment on this video, only 591 views. Comment on this video right now and you'll be eligible for the giveaway. We'll pick a winner from here. I'm super excited for this new pattern, the dragon. And I really want to perfect it. At the end of the day, everything is a 618 Fibonacci. And I don't want you guys to get confused by the names of anything, or I don't want you guys to get overwhelmed. Just remember that everything is a 618 Fibonacci for me. Okay, that's my style of trading. Becky, what's going on? Bought the book. Thank you for the support, Becky. I'll get you. The pre-order people, I'm gonna take care of you before the end of the week. I'm traveling at the end of the week, so I want to get this done before the end of the week, midweek, Wednesday, Thursday. Get it to you guys. Make sure you're happy. Put you in the Fib Society. Okay. All right. So what else? All right. So hit me with a 1 when you're done commenting, and then we will just refresh. Okay. So I see 28 comments. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to sort by, let me just refresh. It doesn't look like 28 comments to me. It says 32 now. Okay, that looks better. All right. So let's go here. Let's do that. 32 right now. Okay, I have the random number generator here. 1 to 32. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Boom. Number 7 is the winner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here. Princeton Sound. 34 seconds ago, I saw you in the chat. Princeton Sound, you are the winner, my friend. And I've actually seen you commenting on Twitter a lot. So I really appreciate your support. And just email me right now, rich@tradingwars.com, and I'll put you on the list. You will get a copy of the book for free. Princeton Sound, if you're in the chat, hit me with a 10. Let me put you right up here. And guys, let's send some love. Here he is right here. Let's send some love, some power. There you go. Let's go. Send some love, guys. Send some power, send some energy, send some positive vibes. Hit me with a 5 on the way out, and let's crush this week. All right, guys. If I can make 10 grand on this trade, I will be so happy. But nothing's for sure. And I did my job. I put that stop loss to break even. All right. So it is what it is, guys. So let's see if it can rock and roll. Thank you so much for your time. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com for 20% off. Love you guys. Take care.